All right, y'all checking back in, getting some new shoes on it, getting the tires replaced up here in McCarthy. Good prices, actually. Brand new tires ended up being $500. All right, y'all, tapping back in. Here it is. We got the boards up there. Got them installed. Than Snyder's, and just getting us in, getting us out. We'll head up to the quarry job. The first job that we were supposed to be on got canceled. Guess it was too wet on site, so came up here to get some new shoes on her. 3 new tires, about 1,700, or excuse me, 4 new tires, about 1,700. So yeah, still get out for today. Gonna be a good one. Wrap it up. That'll be the last one there. Get on this one. That'll be it. Yeah.
Is he gonna call? Everybody who's on public something. Oh, Alfredo? Look at Alfredo's asking. Oh, it's Juan.
Go. Oh, hit it.
Yeah.
New treads. Dry ass front zone. Them still Gucci. Need one right there, but it ain't too bad. Them still Gucci. We got 2 right there. Things bald. And we back on the front dry ass. So we back.
Tires back good. Got the stat back going right. Do some fresh pretty soon. Excuse me, chat. We got ground up president rolling today, man. PPE equipment is how we gotta do it. Then let's go, chat.
All right, y'all, back out here again. Second day of the week is Tuesday. Back on one of North Carolina's biggest jobs, project in Mebane. Hauling dirt from here to, I believe it is Graham, in Graham, North Carolina, about a 20-minute ride. Dirt haul. One second, let me get going here. But yeah, second day in a row. Can't beat it. Prime time is, I want to say prime time is here. If you can believe it, I believe prime time is right here upon us. Ground up, that's my boy right there. What's up, YouTube? My boy on the YouTube right there. You don't even know it. Ground family out here. Second day in a row. Sun shining. We getting it. We are getting it, y'all. I said yesterday, haul wasn't very long at all. It was about a ton saved on gas, but today we gonna run a little bit. Got out here early. I was one of the first trucks out here. They're probably gonna move me to get some old site work. Right now, hauling out some bad dirt. Yeah, we working. Y'all can see it. Truck getting filled up. We go.
So they gotta get it right. Took the boards off. Got some new boards coming. Throw them on there. Do that ourselves. Got my man MJ. It's gonna be. Yup. Gonna put that on the dry ass. Got a leak. Leak on there. Yeah. Get it all the way back right. Get that tension pulley right. Tensioner. Right here. So he gonna do both. Oh yeah, he doing both on. Tensioner right there. Pulley. New belt. New tension on it, cause that's what's eating away at it. Boys, MJ, get me right up here. Boy, MJ, right there. Get me right. You must got that mail contract. I know that mail contract when I see that contract. Got ground up president. He back there getting the boys right. And there's all types of trucking going on out here. I say that every time, but it is. All types of trucking out here on this yard. It's our home base right here. Youngsville, North Carolina. By way closer, Wake Forest, North Carolina. Who put them up there? Somebody put them up there?
Yeah. Somebody parked the truck right there.
Oh, word.
Got it in for me.
Come on back. Ground up president, get his hand dirty this week. Come on back. Come on back. Good. So like you can even let it hang off and I can walk it down, but you can just ride it with the truck. You see what I'm saying?
Probably just gotta stand on it.
Yeah, I can just sit on it. Moving these boards right quick. Get them up here. Yeah, man. It rained today. We got 3 good days out there this week. Really missed a day, 2 days last week. I wasn't gonna run it with the airbag, but I thought it was gonna be a quick fix and we can get it in there, but we couldn't, so it caused us to miss the day. And then just Saturday, man, I couldn't get my drive out, so we couldn't get out on Saturday. But Yeah, man, I'm trying to get everything together though, so we won't really have to really miss no days once this season pop off. And so that's what we doing, getting everything together, man. So big shout out to MJ's, man. He keep us going, keep us together. Got his guys on it, man. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a big summer, man. Ground up way. Ground fam, you back.
All right, y'all. Every dump trucker knows get out your truck and look. This is get out your truck and eat. Little lunch break. Got the boards installed last night. Rain day, we didn't get out. But able to get out today. Saturday work, man. I don't know. Y'all tell me, is it peak season? Had it not been for the rain, we would have got out 6 days this week. Ground up. We go. Welcome back, ground family. It's a good Saturday to be in the dump truck business. Happy to have some work this Saturday. Peak season is right on the peak. Right on the peak. Y'all hear Luther? It's been a good week. 5 out of 6 days. Rained on Friday. Back out on Saturday. It's a good thing. Keep the wheels rolling and the cash flowing. Update, we did get paid from Baltimore snow work. That ended up coming before Alexandria's work, even though Alexandria was first. So ended up getting paid. That's been a blessing. We caught back up on everything. What else? Got all the maintenance done, paid for. Yeah, truck is ready, man. Put some new tires on them. That was earlier this week. So yeah, truck ready to work non-stop. Peak season is right here. It's gonna look like it's gonna go 6 days a week from now on. And then hopefully get some night work in here. Ground up. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, smash that follow, share this content with somebody that may be thinking about the dump truck business. And they can definitely see from start to beginning with us how it's been. I'm gone.